Hi students, 12th standard computer application chapter 1 multimedia. Already we discussed multimedia, components of multimedia and file formats. Today we are going to continue with the next topic, steps in multimedia production. Needs for successful multimedia project. To develop the multimedia project, we need to prepare a plan. Following are the phases for development of complex multimedia projects. Conceptual analysis and planning, project design, pre-production, budgeting, multimedia production team, hardware and software selection, defining the content, preparing the structure, production, testing, documentation, delivering the multimedia project. The first one, conceptual analysis and planning. This is the first step in multimedia production. This step identifies an appropriate theme, budget and content availability on that selected theme. Copyright issues are also considered. Copyright means if we create a project, it cannot be accessed by others. Project design. After theme has been analyzed, the second step is project design. Once the theme is finalized, objectives, goals and activities are drawn for the multimedia project. The general statements are termed as goals. The specific statements in the project is called objectives. Activities are series of actions performed to implement an object. Pre-production. It is the process between budgeting to preparing the structure. Based on planning and designing is necessary for pre-production. Budgeting. Budgeting for each phases like consultants, hardware, software, travel, communication and publishing is estimated for all the multimedia projects. Here, consultant means if we ask any idea from others, that persons are called consultant. Multimedia production team. It comprises of members who plays various roles and responsibility such as script writer, production manager, editor, graphics architect, multimedia architect and webmaster. Hardware and software selection. All multimedia applications requires appropriate tools to develop and playback the application. Hardware includes the selection of fastest CPU, RAM and huge monitors, sufficient disk for storing the records. Defining the content. Content is the stuff provided by content specialist to the multimedia architect. Preparing the structure. It should have all the steps along with the timeline of the future action. Production. After pre-production, the production activity will get started. This is the main area in the project. In this phase, it includes the activity like background music, selection, sound, recording and so on. Text is incorporated using OCR software, pictures shot by digital camera, video clips are shot, edited and compressed. Testing. Testing is done to ensure that everything is in the place, thereby avoiding failure after launch. If our project is based online, then it should be checked with different browsers like Internet, Chrome, Mozilla, etc. Documentation. It is mandatory feature in all multimedia projects. It has all the valuable information starting from system requirements till the completion of testing. Example, contact details, phone numbers, email can be provided for technical support. Delivering the multimedia product. Multimedia applications are best to deliver in two medium, CD or DVD and in website. Delivering the multimedia product. Multimedia applications are best to deliver in two medium, CD, DVD and in website. While delivering in internet, we may face some issues such as bandwidth problems, long downloading time, more plugin for playing. Thank you.